Okay, to be clear, I, on July 14th, 2021, called dibs on the atmospheric coffee maker. To be clear on all this, an atmospheric coffee maker pulls water from the atmosphere. You don't have to refill it, and it's low voltage. Yeah. Yep. Y'all know nothing about no atmospheric coffee maker. And everybody hates pouring the coffee in the coffee maker. You know this. Everybody who makes coffee knows. You don't want to do that. You just don't. You don't. It's horrible. It's horrible. You always spill it. It's always going everywhere. Look, let the atmosphere do it for you. Atmospheric coffee maker. Rich news. Richie, I call dibs, man. I'm making it. Nobody else got it. If you do got it, you need to put some comments in here, because I ain't found it yet. You need to start selling that.